Hi, I'm Angela at Fine & Country and you join me today at Meadow Barn, a beautiful 3-bedroom barn conversion set in an exclusive courtyard setting with amazing countryside views but only a few minutes from the town of Leamington Spa. Follow me and let's take a look inside. With 3 bedrooms and 2 receptions, as well as a separate garden studio and a paddock with far-reaching views across the fields, this is a stunning property in a peaceful location. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. For any further details or if you would like to arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.